खुश रहो बिटिया. This is JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of FEM. Course program name is BSc B.Ed PCM 5th Sem. Course is Multivariate Calculus and Vector Differentiation, and session of today is numerical problem on beta function. So these are some problem in front of you. First problem is evaluate integration 0 to infinite x to the power 8 1 minus x to the power 6 upon 1 plus x to the power 24 dx. So integration I is equal to 0 to infinite x to the power 8 1 minus x to the power 6 upon 1 plus x to the power 24 dx. We can split this expression into different expression. First expression is 0 to infinite x to the power 8 upon 1 plus x to the power 24 minus 0 to infinite x to the power 14 upon 1 plus x to the power 24 dx. Now this expression can be expressed in another manner by slight changes. X to the power 8 can be written as x to the power 9 minus 1, and 1 plus x to the power 24 can be written as 9 plus 14. The exponent 9 is common at numerator and denominator where m plus n. It means function is like x to the power m minus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power m plus n. So m will be the common. In the same manner, next expression x can be expressed, x to the power 14 can be expressed as x to the power 15 minus 1, and again during the splitting of 24 it is keep in mind the 15 will be common, so 15 plus 9. Now the beta mn, the formula of beta mn is equal to 0 to infinite x to the power m minus n upon 1 plus x to the power m plus n. So compare with the formula, we get expression beta 9 15, and next expression minus beta 15 9. So here it is it is a formula of beta mn. If we interchange the value of m and n, it remains unchanged, so beta mn is equal to beta nm. Here value is beta 9 15 and another value is 15 and 9. If we exchange, both are same value and difference will be 0. So the answer is 0. Next, it can be expressed as beta integration 0 to infinite x to the power 4 1 plus x to the power 5 upon 1 plus x to the power 15 dx. Again split into different expression, x to the power 4 upon 1 plus x to the power 15 and x to the power 9 upon 1 plus x to the power 15. In the same manner as we applying in the above, x to the power 4 can be expressed as x to the power 5 minus 1, and it is keep in mind 5 will be common in numerator and denominator. So splitting 15 in the manner 5 plus 10, it is because 5 will be common. Next expression x to the power 9 can be expressed as x to the power 10 minus 1, and 10 will be the common, so 1 plus x 10 plus 15. It is again beta 5 10 and beta 10 5. So after addition it will be the 2 beta 5 to 10 5 10, and express is it into the gamma function beta mn is equal to gamma n upon gamma m plus n. So the value of beta 5 10 is equal to 2 beta 5 10 is equal to 2 gamma 5 gamma 10 upon gamma 5 plus 10. So gamma 5 is equal to factorial 4, gamma 10 is equal to factorial 9, or gamma 15 is equal to factorial 14, and expressing the same you get the value is 1 upon 5005. Next problem is so that 0 to infinite 10 to the power n dx is equal to pi by 2 sec n pi upon 2, where n lies between -1 to 1. Here the integration 0 to pi by 2 10 nx can be expressed in the manner sine to the power nx upon cos to the power nx and sine to the power n cos to the power minus n dx. So this is reduced into the gamma format, 0 to pi by 2 sine nx cos minus nx dx, expressed into the gamma expression gamma n plus 1 by 2 gamma 1 minus n by 2 upon 2 gamma n plus minus n plus 1. So 2 gamma 1 only, 1 by 2 gamma n plus 1 by 2 gamma 1 minus n plus 1 by 2. It is the duplication formula pi upon sine n pi. 1 by 2 pi upon sine 1 by 2 n plus 1 pi is equal to pi upon 2 cos n pi by 2 and pi by 2 sec n pi by 2 is the answer of this integration. So that 0 to pi by 2 dx upon under root sin x into 0 to pi by 2 under root sin x dx is equal to pi. Again this is written into the form of 0 to pi sine to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 dx and 0 to pi sine 1 by 2 x dx, and expressed into the manner sine 1 by 2 minus x cos 0 dx into 0 to pi by 2 sine 3 by 2 minus 1 x cos 0 dx, and express it into the gamma form gamma 1 by 4 gamma 1 by 2 upon 2 gamma 3 by 4, and next gamma 3 by 4 gamma 1 by 2 and 2 gamma 5 by 2, and after solving the answer will be the pi. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.